Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best indoor solar lighting in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best indoor solar lights that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Yinghao Solar Lights Indoor LED Bulbs. The Yinghao Solar Panel Lighting Kit is for people who are serious about investing in a solar panel light system. These high-quality solar panels in this kit are the first step to going completely off the grid. The lighting kit includes one 10V 12W flexible solar panel, a controller, 4 LED light bulbs, a USB cable, and 2 screws. This effectively means you can illuminate your home with indoor solar light, charge your smartphones, and power any electrical item that pairs with the provided cords. Easy to install, this solar-powered lighting system requires absolutely zero maintenance and does not require wiring cables. It can even be used in areas where there is no electrical supply, making it perfect for outside hanging lights for yards, gardens, camping, RV, patios, etc. The bulb lights themselves come in simple white and have long cords for easy installation. They will light up multiple rooms and provide all the brightness for a basic light you need. When all 4 are combined, you can still expect a solid 8 to 9 hours of light, and all with no electrical wires. Incredibly durable and intuitive to use, the panel lighting kit is perfect for emergencies or just completely disconnecting from electrical non-solar power altogether. Moving on at number 4. We have the StillCool Color Changing Wind Chime Indoor Solar Light. This light fixture is brilliant if you are not looking to light up a whole room but instead just want an indoor light fixture that is just bright enough for accented glow, and is the StillCool Hanging Wind Chime Light. Designed to imitate the looks of a garden wind chime, the StillCool's solar-powered lamp is an eye-catching feature piece for your personal space, and it even changes color. With the panel located on the top, the hanging wind chime simply needs to be taken down and placed in the sunlight, so it is a garden ornament during the day and a cozy feature for indoor lighting at night. Perfect for a porch to give a welcoming glow to your property. Then it is switched on for up to 6 to 8 hours with a full charge of a rotating beautiful colorful light. The LED light bulb will automatically turn on at night and features 4 distinct color settings that it will cycle through as it naturally spins. The bubble textured LED light bulb shifts from golden yellow to red, blue, and green. The hanging wind chime is not meant to illuminate an entire room or balcony, but rather to add a vivid touch of color and style wherever needed. Durable, waterproof, and easy to hang up, you can keep it inside with a full charge or take it out to the garden without fear of damage from any rain. The structure is lightweight but made from stainless steel and the bulb is well protected. Lastly, these hanging wind chime light fixtures are affordable, so if you are searching for a budget, a well-built solar lamp to spice up the home, then look no further. Please note it takes a D-cell battery that is not included. At number 3, we have the Kyson Indoor Solar Barn Light. The team at Kyson are masters of fusing throwback lighting designs with modern technology. Perhaps solar indoor light fixtures do not appeal because you want the traditional older style feel. Well, with Kyson, that is no longer an excuse to not go green. The barn light bulb fixture features an industrial design and classic Edison light bulb to create the perfect atmosphere of days gone by. Like the shed light, the barn light fixtures connect to a panel via 3 meters of black cord. This gives you plenty of space to install the light indoors and the panel outside to catch the sun and charge the battery to supply you with the brightness you need. The vintage Edison light bulb burns with warm white light and is easily replaceable, while the stainless steel cage around the bulb is lightweight and is great for utility. However, it also creates a specific, old-fashioned ambiance that looks good in kitchens and workspaces alike. Additionally, like its sibling, the barn light fixture comes equipped with a pull-cord switch for the on and off settings as well as a remote control so you can pick your style of on switches. The Edison light bulb requires a full charge to last for 8 hours because for what the Edison light bulb has in style it is not quite as efficient as some of the other LEDs on our list. With all the sturdiness and durability and with respect for the good old days of the warm-colored light bulb, the barn light is a must for people with both green and vintage sensibilities. At number 2. We have the Sunlightex solar string lights. If you are in the market for string lights but need something more substantial and eye-catching, then look no further than Sunlightex. Rather than make yet another version of delicate fairy string LEDs, Sunlightex modeled their light bulb off of a hardier, large bulb café style. Each bulb gives off a warm white light suitable for the living room, dining room, or bedroom, in fact anywhere in the house, and they are so easy to install. Each string comes with 25 individual spherical light bulbs connected by 27 feet of thick black wire. Each light bulb is weather-resistant and sturdy so they can be used for garden lighting solar power. The warm white LEDs have a projected lifespan of 50,000 hours so you will never have to worry about burnout. For indoor use the panel can be easily disconnected and placed outside for charging the battery as well as that this solar indoor light bulb string has the option of the batteries being charged via a mini USB cable connection should you be in an area with a lot of rain. This design comes with a light sensor, so they will automatically switch on when the daylight falls and off when daylight returns. Should you want them for daytime use, simply cover the sensor. After 8 hours of sun or 4 hours of USB charging, the bulbs will stay on for 8 hours of brightness from the battery. Furthermore, the Sunlightex string light bulb comes with multiple lighting modes for settings that include steady, flashing, slow flashing, and pulsating for either a relaxing night with a book or a dance party with friends. They can also be connected with multiple strings to form one long line to cover any space. The Sunlightex string bulbs are in a higher price range, however, the higher price pays for significant upgrades in features, materials, brightness, and options. The failsafe of a USB charger for the battery on stormy days or inconvenient distances between sunlight and string means you never have to worry about being left in the dark. And finally at number 1. We have the Amir upgraded solar power string lights. What would a warm, cozy nest be without a twinkling string of fairy lights? Amir is one of the best lighting companies out there and their string solar inside lights are renowned for their durability and versatility. The upgraded string solar-powered indoor lights can be used both inside and outside and are perfect for relaxing accent lighting. This indoor solar lighting kit is a great starter pack with 100 bright, warm white LEDs that are encased in a weatherproof clear string. They have 2 settings to choose from depending on your mood, they are constant and flashing. The materials are high quality and the indoor solar light is connected via 33 feet of flexible copper wire that makes it easy to mold around your space. Once it gets dark, the wire is nearly invisible and does not detract from the glow. These are both LEDs and solar-powered lights, they are incredibly energy efficient, low heat, and long-lasting. They have 2 modes, steady and flashing for when things get more festive. Once it gets dark, the ambient light sensor will either switch them on or you have the option to do it manually. These are an incredible deal for a well-made and durable piece of lighting, but if you are using them for solar indoor use, remember that the solar panel will still need to be placed to receive sunshine. It is a wonderful place to start if you are looking to light up your home in a way that is both green and whimsical. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.